Hello, do you know what the place value is for tens on a number like this? Okay, if you don't, that's great, because we're about to teach you what that means. Okay, so place value, what that means is the value of each digit. Okay, and we're looking today about tens. So which one represents tens? Okay, so we've got the first one, that equals hundreds, so it's not that one. Tens, is it 3, okay, or is it 5? So let's say the word or the number first, okay? So this number is 135. So which one represents the tens? Well done, that's the 3, okay? Because this is hundreds, this is tens, and this is ones or singles, okay? So use that information, play the next game, and we'll see you at the next one. Bye!